Hi, this is Gene Netch with Eurekademics, and today we're going to be learning math. All right, let's take it from the top. Number 8.
At the market, 3 kilograms of prawns were sold for $45. 5 kilograms of crabs cost $90. Auntie Chong bought only 1 kilogram of prawns and 1 kilogram of crabs. How much did she pay for them?
Good. So what's our total question? Big idea. How much did she pay? Okay, and then we're going to use the hint. So what's our first hint? And we're going to draw the picture and assign a value to it and calculate it. Okay, so what's our first group that we have to figure out? Prawns.
Yeah, because it says prawns first.
Yeah, so let's draw a picture, like a little square. We're going to label that prawns, P. And inside the square, you're going to write 3 kg for 3 kilograms.
3.
Good. And then what were they sold for?
They were sold for
$45. Good. That means we could find, if we wanted to, what?
we could find it by dividing.
Yes, if we divided the numbers, we would find the price per 1 kilogram. Yeah, and that's useful because then we can figure out anything from 1. But let's go further and see if we even need to do that. All right, what's our second clue? 5 kilograms of crab?
Yeah, so 5 kilograms of crab cost $90.
All right, let's draw that. Another box, 5 kg. This one is crab, equals $90. Good. Yeah, there's 5 kilograms of those guys. And they sell, all 5 kilograms sell for $90. Good. So these are the market conditions. So if I walk into the market, I have to buy 3, I pay this. If I buy 5, I pay that. Keep going, and then the problem's going to hit us.
Auntie Chong bought only 1 kilogram of prawns and 1 kilogram of crabs. How much did she pay for them?
Good. So there's a 2-step thing here, maybe 3. What's the first step?
Yeah, 3. So first step is 3 kilograms divided by 45.
Yes, that'll give us what?
How many dollars equals 1 kilogram
of prawns? Excellent. Let's find that. So we put 45 in our little house. Put the 3 on the outside.
So
nice.
Not that big.
Yep.
3.
And then $45 goes on the inside because we want to find out how much 1 pack costs, or 1 kilogram.
35.
So
3 divided by 4 equals 1.
That's right. 4 divided by 3.
2.
Try that again.
Oh.
So 1 times 3 is 3.
Yeah, so 1 times 3 equals 3, remainder 1.
1. Then we do what with the 5?
3 divided by 15.
That's right.
3 divided by 15 was 5.
Yes.
15 grams.
Dollars per kilogram. Good job. So yeah, so label that dollar. That's $15. And then per kilogram. Good. And then she also bought something else, if you remember the question. What else did she buy?
She bought also another 1 kilogram of crabs.
That's right.
So 90 divided by 5.
That's right. I'll race you there. 90 kilograms, or $90 from the 5, divided by 5 kilograms. We're going to find how much 1 kilogram costs.
590.
Mm-hmm.
So 5 divided by 90 equals
How many 5?
18.
Yes.
$18.
Good. Now are we done?
No,
No.
when you add these together, you see how many she paid for them.
That's right, because she bought 1 pound or 1 kilogram of each, and let's find out how much she paid. So she paid $15 for the prawns, 1 kilogram. She paid $18 for the crabs, also 1 kilogram.
That's 33.
That's right. And now I want you to use that number 33 and give me a statement. What does it mean?
It means that she used all this money to pay both 1 kilogram of prawns and 1 kilogram of crab.
Fantastic. Give me a high five. All right, let's take a look at number 9.
A can of beans weighs 287 grams. Mr. Kwan bought a carton that contains half a dozen cans of beans. How much does the carton of beans weigh? Give your answer in kilograms and grams.
Good. Did we understand what happened in the problem?
Yeah, so Mr. Kwan buys a carton that contains half a dozen of cans of beans.
Good. So we're talking 1/2 of this thing called a dozen. And beans are cans. Cans,
Yeah.
right? So do you know what a dozen is?
12.
12. What's half a dozen?
6.
6. So what are we talking about? 6 cans?
6 cans.
That's what he bought.
So 6 cans. So 6 times 287 grams.
That's how many beans he would have. Yes, because each can has 287.
287.
Good. For that one, you don't have to draw a picture because you seem to figure it out straightforward. But the picture's here if you need it. So we have this. All right, let's calculate away. It's what you said. So we're going to take the 287 grams, which represents
280.
7. That represents the weight in grams of beans in each can. And then you figured out that half of a dozen is 6 cans.
6 times 7 times 6. Okay. So 7 times 6 equals 13.
7 times 6 times.
Oh yeah. So 6. So equals 42.
There we go.
So 6 plus 6.
6 times
Yes.
8
Oh yeah. So 6 times 8
plus 4.
Yeah. So 6 times 8 plus 4 is 52.
Excellent. Put the 2 down there. Carry the 5.
2 times 6 equals 12 plus 5 equals 17.
Fantastic. Then do you recall the question wants the answer in what?
Kilograms of grams.
Let's do it. So how many kilograms is that?
Equals 1 kg 722 grams.
Yes. So this 1 kilogram and 722 grams, what does that represent?
That represents the answer.
Yes, which is
which is how many beans she bought.
Yes, which came from how many cans?
Which came from 6 cans.
Right, which comes from half a dozen. All right, let's take a look at number 10.
William weighs 94 pounds. He is half as heavy as his father, Mr. Tay. Mr. Tay weighs 4 times as much as his daughter, Mandy. How much does Mandy weigh?
Oh, I love these. These problems is a very popular type of problem.
Yeah.
So we have to draw a picture and we have to write a mathematical relationship in between each of them. So I already drew William. Here's William. He's 94 pounds. I would start there. All right, let's take it away.
I'll just do this.
Yep.
And then like this. Oh, never mind.
Good. What's our next clue?
And his father.
Well, he is half.
Oh yeah, he's half as heavy as his father, so 94 plus 94.
Right, to get his father.
Yeah.
That's right. Or 94 times 2.
94. 286. No, 188.
188, correct. And then you can just put a box around your work, and then it contains your dad. So now we have William 94. Dad is double that at 188.
Oh, maybe I should write LB first.
Remember, that's William's father, because Mr. Tay's coming up. Mr. Tay's our third person.
Mr. Tay is our second.
So here's William, half as heavy as his father, comma, Mr. Tay. Mr. Tay is the father. Good. Okay, yes. Good. Which we found out, which we're ahead of the game. So now we have another.
You divide it.
Yeah, because Mr. Tay weighs 4 times as much as his daughter, so Mandy has to weigh 1/4 of it, like you said. Divide. All right, show me. So we do 188 divided by 4.
188 divided. Equals 18 divided by 4 equals 4. Remainder 2. 28 divided by 4 equals 7.
That's right. So 47 represents what?
Equal pounds.
That's right. Step by step, right?
Mm-hmm.